So it's not that hard if you know what you are doing. First off, you need to take off the plastic cover. Then remove the steadyview receiver. It's being made out of two boards, two PCB boards, actually four, but let's call it two. There is some glue in here. I made a detailed pictures on the forum into fpv.com. You can remove this glue or cut whatever, and it come off quite easy. Like that. And there is two identical boards. You have to remove. There is no need to solder anything. It's not attached with the solder. Just use little bit of force. There are little holes. I don't know, yeah, that are holding this metal cap. And that's all. All you need to do is to solder this ceramic filter 6.5 megahertz. And the sound is working. There is second board in here. It's identical, so I'm not going to take cover out. But the inside is identical. You need two 6.5 megahertz ceramic filters and just solder. It doesn't matter how you solder it. You can cut the metal legs and just place it. I used a little bit glue in here, hot glue, to hold it in place, and then easy 3 minutes fix. Soldered the legs. And well, it's everything. You have sound in your Skyzone goggles. The fix is very simple. Of course, you need to solder two elements, one to each board.